Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. You die. I don't care if I die. Then what happens if I really kill you? Well, I don't care. Ah. Stop that. No, I messed up. Die. I want you to die, stupid. You know. Do you know? Chainsaws are stronger than katanas. Liar, shut the fuck up, motherfucker. The balls. Damn you. Well, you motherfucker. You know what? Die. No ads. I hate ads. I'm creating a video. Wrong app. Die. Whoa. 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 Bro went to the other side. Yeah. No, I killed him. Again. Die, idiot. What the heck do you want from me? We just got here, motherfucker. Shut up before I kill you. And apologize before I kill you. Are you freaking serious right now, bro? Like, I could still fight. Goes to the stations. Goes inside. How the hell did we got to the backrooms, bro? What the shut the fuck up, dumbass. I'ma just regen him. He started doing the unfair move, whatever I call it that. No, I ripped him again. No, I ripped him. You're gonna die. Oh, yeah? Oh, hell nah, man. Not again. We already been done this 15 times. Bro, stop it. Stop it. Oh. Ah. Ow. You can't kill me, Denji. Oh, yeah? I'll show you. Well, show you, motherfucker. Well, I'll prove you wrong, motherfucker. No, I messed up. I messed up. Oh, goddamn, I have to do it again. Ants. Bro, give me the arm. Yeah. Can you bend that move, bruh? No. Please, no. Shut the fuck up before I kill you. No, before I kill you, dumbass. Oh, yeah? I'll make you. I'm still standing. You're done now. Think I'm done? Think I'm done? You see I have a forehead? You see I have a chainsaw on my forehead? Murph. Ads again! Just black screen. Already have full body, Murph. Think you can roast me, Murph. Get to the other side, web Joe Shooter, Murph. Joe Biden. Shut up. I'm still standing, bitch. Well, you're dead. Apologize before you die. Are you kidding me right now? Sorry. And thank you for aiming for the head. What? Ads!
Na, quiet lang.
This has been my life in today.